Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to organize bulk send documents using tags in BoldSign. Tags are labels that can be added to bulk send documents for better organization. By using them, you can filter and quickly find specific documents. Tabs can be assigned to each document recipient via CSV file. They categorize documents into groups, helping with handling and tracking. This method not only improves document management, but also enhances overall efficiency in bulk send operations. Imagine a legal coordinator onboarding multiple new clients to their firm using BoldSign's bulk send feature. Since each document requires an internal manager as the reviewer, sorting becomes challenging due to the repeated reviewer name. This is where they can use tags. By adding unique tags to each client's document, the coordinator can quickly filter and track the documents, ensuring that each onboarding is smooth. Now, I'll demonstrate how the legal coordinator would set this up. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I click Create New and select the Create New Bulk Send option. This navigates me to the Prepare Bulk Send page. In the Choose Templates section, I click Browse Templates, locate the client onboarding document, and click Use. The template is uploaded. The Download Sample CSV file and Upload Recipient Data CSV sections appear. The roles in the template are automatically displayed in the Add Recipient section and cannot be edited. Next, I need to add a CSV file. If you already have a CSV file with client details and tags, you can upload it with this button. In this case, I have not prepared a CSV file yet. To prepare one, I go to the Download Sample CSV section, select the tag field in the Optional Fields section, and download the sample CSV. In the downloaded file, I'll add the required data and save it. I proceed to upload the saved CSV file using the Upload Recipient Data CSV button. If the uploaded CSV file does not match the sample format, an error message will appear. If the file contains incorrect or incomplete details, you'll be notified, and the incorrect section will be highlighted for editing. Since my details are in the correct format, I proceed to import it by clicking the Import button. The file is uploaded successfully. Next, the legal coordinator can add a comment tag for these documents. To do this, I move to the Tags field under Document Settings. I enter Onboarding as the tag, which will apply to all the bulk send documents. Once the bulk send setup is complete, you can review it, ensuring it is correct by clicking Preview. I bulk send the documents for signing. The bulk send is successful, and the documents are now in the queue. Now, let's see how to organize bulk send documents using tabs. To access my bulk send documents, I click View Bulk Send in the Completion dialog box. This takes me to the bulk send page, where a list of all my bulk send documents is displayed. You can also access this page by expanding the bulk send menu and choosing My Bulk Send. Here I need to organize the client onboarding bulk send documents. I locate the client onboarding bulk send and click on it to navigate to its documents page. A list of the onboarding documents is displayed, along with the tags added below each document title. As you can see, the comment tag I added while creating the bulk send is applied to all the documents, while the tags I added in the CSV file are applied to their respective recipients, as specified. With these tabs, I can now easily manage and organize these documents. To filter them based on their tags, I simply click on a tag. When I select the onboarding tag, all the documents containing this tag are displayed. To narrow down the results further, I then click the real estate tag, and only the documents with both tags appear. Alternatively, I can use the search bar to type in a specific tag, and all the documents with that tag will be shown. For even more precise filtering, I can click Advanced Filter. This opens a pop-up with multiple filtering options, allowing me to filter by status, recipients, or tags, or use all options together for a more targeted result. I can select the real estate and property owner tags, and then click Apply Filter. I see only the relevant documents. To clear the filtering, I click Clear All Filters. You can also pin the filtered bulk sent documents to the dashboard for easy access. To add or remove a tab from a bulk send document, hover over that particular document, click the Context menu, and choose Manage Tags. This option is only visible when a tag has already been added to the document. If there is no tag, the option will be Add Tag. On clicking the Manage Tags option, a pop-up dialog box appears displaying the document's tags. I can remove any of them. To add a new tag, I would enter it and click the Add button. Once everything is set correctly, I click Save. The tabs are successfully saved and displayed below the document title. That is how to add and manage tags in BoldSign documents in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.